We are women in science and technology, so in our own ways, we are cases of success. So we can try and distill what makes women engage, remain, and become leaders in science and technology. We have been honest and expressed our challenges, such as when we experience the imposter syndrome. We have been particularly aware of the importance of networking and collaboration. We have considered the value of mentoring when in a more formal context or in the format of a brief conversation in a moment of external confidence can start or boost careers. This is what we do. This is our legacy. And we are all aware of the importance of helping future generations of women engage in science and technology. Altogether, let's make sooner the moment of real equality in our sector.